Okay, this is old Simplex smoke detector. If you see it say Simplex Time Recorder Company, you know it's an old one. Okay, so just a 2-wire smoke. This is what I'm replacing it with, the system sensor, 2WP. Kept false alarming and also had a ground fault on it, an intermittent ground fault. And this wires run all around the world and back again and through walls and stuff like that. So just had an electrician rerun the wire. So that's what they did. So I'm gonna put the system sensor up there and use that same resistor. I thought I'd video it. So let the sun shine in, again. See, that resistor just broke off because they twisted around itself. So what they did was they went and looped all the way back on itself, and then whenever they screwed down, the wire acts as a pair of snips and it pushes through and it cut it clean in two. And you don't have to wrap it all the way around, just make like a letter C and hook it in so the way that the wire is tightening, you'll keep pulling against it. It'll stay in there, I promise. I hope these will. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna pause it. Ain't no need y'all watching me unscrew these long screws, and then I'll come back whenever it's done. Okay, I know this video kind of jumped a little bit, so I'm just putting it where I can show y'all something. So you see this screw is like way too long. So I'm gonna screw in my pair of cutters here. See how they have that little hole? You stick it down in there and move it around till it starts going through. It just screws in. See, it's coming out the other side. Go to the desired length you want. Then you just squeeze it. It cuts off. So that way it's got a clean cut. So that way, when you go to start it back, it will start back. Sorry, I know it took a little detour from what I was working on. I feel just a little burr on that, so I'm gonna do it one more time just to make sure it's clean. I'm gonna pause the video again until I get up top. That's really good. Follow right top of the resistor. Sorry to spin you around like that, guys. Okay, so we have a short leg right there on the positive.
I hate these Z-folks. I ain't coming for it. I ain't coming tomorrow. I better got enough for them anyway. Hey, you better do shit.
String. So twist my wire. That way it's easier to pick up. It's all said and done. A lot of times I'll carry a bucket around with me and throw it in a bucket. So that way I ain't gotta, I got a lot of these to do. That way I ain't got no cleanup. I can just drop it in the bucket. Keep on rolling. Okay. So I'm gonna lay on the side with the resistor first. It is my negative. Always double check. This got pretty good markings on, that's why I didn't take my Sharpie and color it in. So that resistor is not coming out there. Neither is the wire. Come over here to my positive. That's how you do a 2WB, that's a 2-wire zone smoke detector. Pop off my orange cap. Now, unwire it from the panel first. So there we go, that's in there good. And I'll do the second video on how to wire it into a notifier zone card. I think it's an 8 zone or a 10 zone, I can't remember which. So I would leave the documentation in the panel, but a 2WB is about as simple as it gets, you know. Now I've seen people mess it up, don't get me wrong. Make sure I'm cleaned up. Take a little bit of time, guys. Have some pride in your work. I throw away the old because I don't want to mix that up in my stuff is being good still. Alright, that's that. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a good day and good conversation. Please like and subscribe.